of sort of creamy mood today. I'm going to be doing a cream sauce, and I'm going to show you different ways to do a cream sauce. My first way of doing this cream sauce is with fish, because Turner not eating meat, he cut off cigarettes, you're drinking alcohol, no alcohol. Turner living a new life, and I respect that, because young man come from far, and he turn off all of that. So I bring some KingFish for you.
Yeah, man.
You can handle KingFish.
Of course.
So some KingFish I bring for the man, and I'm making a creamy KingFish sauce for you to enjoy tonight. All right? Very, very simple. So I basically had some onions and some garlic. I add some mushrooms that I kind of just have sauté in here. I kind of working with some mixed vegetables. So I have some bodi, corn, carrots.
Yeah, carrot. Thing for the eye, man.
Carrots good for the eye. You had to see, you had to see, right? Yeah,
See the crowd in the back and thing.
So I add my veggies in there. So I'm really building the sauce. As I said, it's some vegetables happening there. So that vegetables, I kind of salt and pepper. And all I'm doing now, guys, once that vegetable kind of comes up to a nice temperature and softens up and starts cooking, I am adding some cream. It's a creamy show today, guys. Trust me. Stay with me. This is heavy cream.
Oh, God.
So there's no light cream. We don't do light cream on the show. We do heavy cream.
Heavy cream.
There's no milk, no light milk. Heavy cream.
Oh, God.
1 cup of heavy cream. Now, because the cream's so heavy now, you gotta lighten it up a little bit. So you gotta.
How is that now?
So this is some stock. So I have some vegetable stock.
Vegetable stock.
Vegetable stock that I really just want to add, just to lighten up the cream, because that's heavy cream.
Hired, boy, hired.
So the cream sauce, you allow it just to kind of just come to a boil, as you see it bubbling nicely already. Once it starts to bubble up, I have a little lemon pepper that I just want to add to it. Because I need to just season up.
Pepper, boy.
Yeah, lemon pepper. It really smells like lemon pepper. I'm gonna add some salt. Some salt and pepper again. Seasoning layers, guys. I season in layers. So I kind of just season up my cream sauce. I'm in a creamy mood today. And I have some delicious KingFish steaks. Yeah? When you get this Mr. KingFish now, you know. Anywhere in the region you go, KingFish is like Mr. KingFish.
Mr. KingFish, man.
So
you're dealing with the right thing. You're dealing with the right thing, man.
I bring Mr. KingFish.
Yeah, you're dealing with the right thing.
I really just now adding some seasoned KingFish. Salt,
I'm
pepper.
interested in the KingFish.
You're interested in the KingFish?
Yeah.
Salt, pepper. I add some lemon pepper and some green seasoning in here. And I just want to get 2 pieces of that KingFish in there. And just allow the creaminess to kind of just coat and cover. You could give them a little flip and just allow it to have a time and cook and get ready. It needs just about 5 to 10 minutes covered, simmered, and it'll be ready for tuna.
What's the price for that?
You really want to know?
So I go down to budget.
You're not a budget. So this is a dish, guys, for those people who not only ham, lamb, and jam. It's our KingFish for that. So you ready? Want to just pour that all over there. All the veggies and the good creaminess. Will you try this recipe at home? Yes! Yeah. My creamy KingFish with a lovely vegetable sauce. There you go, my brother. Enjoy. You don't want to pay for it tonight.
Club.
Yeah. I want you to tell you though, I want you to keep pedaling forward. I don't want you to give up. I don't want you to give up on the dream. You reach too far to give up on the dream. Keep pushing. You will have more hurdles out there, you know. There'll be more hurdles out there. But you have reached this far, so don't give up. Yeah? Respect. Ladies and gentlemen, the man Turner. The future of soca music, you know. Future of soca music.